plans are available for you in the healthcare market is upon us. December 15th is the deadline, and we're happy to have with us now the White House Director of Affordable Care and Healthcare, Jessica Shubel, joins us on Make It Plain. Director Shubel, how are you?
I'm doing wonderful. How are you doing?
Just fine, just fine. So tell us, this deadline is upon us.
It is. Tomorrow is the day. We want everybody who doesn't have insurance at the moment or needs to renew their health insurance for next year to sign up by tomorrow, December 15th, so their coverage starts on January 1st.
What happens, because we this deadline comes upon us, maybe we should let people know what happens after the deadline if they miss the deadline, just, the situation they'll be in.
Absolutely. I'm glad that you brought that up. So don't worry if you miss tomorrow's deadline. There's still more time to sign up. The final deadline is January 15th. And so what's really important about tomorrow's deadline is that we want to make sure that everybody has coverage to start the new year with, right? So everybody should try and get signed up by tomorrow, but don't worry if it doesn't happen. You still have January 15th to sign up for coverage.
Now, what happens when people go into the marketplace, and what's changed since this started? We've been doing this for a few years now. Are there any new things people should be able to look out for? Are there any new and better options for people in this December 2022?
Yes, there most certainly is. Coverage has never been more affordable it's most affordable than it's ever been before. And that is in part thanks to President Biden's Inflation Reduction Act. We have seen 4 out of 5 consumers can now find a health plan for $10 or less a month. So we are encouraging people to go in, shop around, see which plan meets their coverage needs and their budget, because there is some really affordable products out there thanks to President Biden's promise to lower healthcare costs for Americans.
$10 a month. Is that what you said?
$10 a month. Mm-hmm. Yep.
Are we finding too that more people than ever are taking advantage of this opportunity?
Yes, most certainly. And that is because coverage is so affordable. Last week, we announced that we enrolled nearly 5.5 million Americans in healthcare.gov coverage since the start of Open Enrollment, which was on November 1st. And this is record-breaking in a pace for enrollment. We've never seen this before. We signed up 1.2 million new consumers during this period. So we are on track to see really record-breaking signups, and we really want to make sure that everybody who needs coverage can sign up and do so by tomorrow, so their coverage starts on January 1st.
And these record of enrollees, these are from all over the country, right? Red states, blue states, north, south, everywhere, correct?
Everywhere, across the country, yep.
So that pretty much shows that in spite of all of the political hullabaloo, or as the president would say, malarkey, that happened when this first came about, people are realizing that this is helpful to them, no matter their political persuasion, and taking advantage of it.
That's certainly true. I mean, everybody needs health insurance. Everybody wants health insurance. The Biden-Harris administration is delivering on our promise to expand access to health insurance, provide people with lots of options to and sign up for affordable quality health insurance. And we're lowering healthcare costs for Americans. As I said, 4 out of 5 consumers can find a plan for $10 or less. And thanks to the president's efforts in enacting the Inflation Reduction Act, 13 million Americans are going to continue saving $800 a year on their health insurance premiums.
And Director Shubel, we won't get too much into the weeds, but don't we have evidence of improved health in some categories because
Absolutely.
people have this access, right?
Absolutely. We have seen improvements in health outcomes. People are able to get their preventive screenings and tests for free. So people are, getting their tests, their vaccines. And, we've also seen that having health insurance improves your financial stability, right? You have less medical debt. And, we've even seen people's credit scores improve thanks to having health insurance. So all the way around, it's a benefit to everybody, to our economy, and certainly to people's well-being.
Amen. So please tell everyone where to go. Folks, you have until tomorrow. Give everyone the website if you would, please.
Yes, absolutely. Healthcare.gov. Please sign up before tomorrow's deadline of December 15th. And if you have any questions, you feel free to reach out to the healthcare.gov team and sign up for coverage and shop around. Again, 4 out of 5 people are finding health plans for $10 or less a month. So it's a great opportunity to shop around and pick something that works for your health and for your budget.
Director Jessica Shubel, she is the White House Director of Affordable Care and Healthcare. Thank you very much, Director Shubel, and happy holidays.